Hi, I'm Cherish Pantalunan, 31 years old from Philippines. In our family, we are 7 siblings. I am married and have 2 children. Here in Philippines, I have experience working as a child care worker for 4 years. I serve 3 members in the family. My duties is to take care of the kid, to cook them, and do the household chores. Hi ma'am and sir, please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise to do my job, to do my duties, and to do all my best. I rest assured you that your family and your home are safe. I'm willing to learn and follow the instructions and follow your rules. I will take care of your kid and I will treat you in a good way. Thank you and I hope to see you soon.